Truck 7 is approaching the gate. Clear the zone. Roger that. Gate opening now. Scanners active.
Steady, boys. Watch the chute, please.
Guide the next group to the left inspection chute.
Affirmative. Panels are secured.
Temperature is 101.5 and uploaded.
Pulse reading steady at 55 BPM.
All right, big guy, let's move along now.
Heartbeat is strong and steady. Respiration looks good.
Horn scan complete. Updating the database now.
The readings on the chest scan look good.
Confirmed. Uploading to the central database now.
The mobility score is stable at 95%.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the central database.
Weight is optimal. Physical development confirmed. Granting medical approval now. Vitals confirmed on the tablet. Green status verified. Approval initiated for the next stage. All settings optimized on lane 2. Acknowledged. Humidity stable. Comprehensive assessment complete. The bull meets all criteria for certification.
Verified. Secure the records and proceed. This amber piece is perfect. Check the thickness. Meets the luxury standard. Send it through.
This batch is perfect, exactly to spec. Excellent work. Excellent work.
From a raw natural horn stored in the warehouse to a luxury men's bracelet admired around the world, the manufacturing